Hello, let's look into the categories of buses. There are various categories of buses. They include the processor bus, address bus, memory bus, input-output bus. Let us discuss the processor bus first. It is used for transferring data between the main system bus and the CPU. The address bus. It is basically a subset of the processor bus and memory bus. Processor bus transfers data in between the processor components and also to hard disk and other main components, while memory bus transfers data from main memory to CPU. It is used for indicating what address is present in memory or what address is present in system bus that are used to transfer data. Address is the location of data. Talking about memory bus, it is used for transferring data information between CPU and RAM. It is also responsible for transfer of data between memory bus and the processor. And last is the input-output bus. All motherboards have one or more input-output buses which can be used for expanding the computer capabilities. Now, let us discuss the ports available on motherboard. Integrated Development Environment or IDE and Serial Advanced Technology Attachment or SATA ports are the two major ports available. These ports are used for providing connectivity for optical drives and storage devices. IDE interface was used in traditional computers and is now replaced by much faster and smaller SATA interfaces that are being able to achieve maximum speed up to 600 Mbps instead of IDE interface having maximum speed of 133 Mbps. Hence, Mbps is megabits per second, which represents data transfer rate per second. The next component is CMOS. CMOS stands for Complementary Metal Oxide Semiconductor. This device is used in static RAM, microcontroller, microprocessor, and digital logic. The RAM chips that store BIOS settings are manufactured by using the CMOS. Cmos Battery is an onboard battery-powered semiconductor chip inside computers that handles data storage information. Cmos Battery is made up of lithium, which is known as lithium-ion battery. Certain components were based on industry standard architecture or ISA. ISA was used to create peripherals and the interface for them. ISA bus allowed the computer to automatically detect and set up computer ISA peripherals, such as a modem and sound card. Peripheral Component Interconnect or PCI was another technology implemented in the form of PCI bus. It was used as a local bus system and is a part of PCI local bus standard. PCI is not dependent on processor's bus speed. Its advantages are multiple PCI buses can be configured on the same computer. It can enhance the speed of the transfers from 33 MHz to 133 MHz with a transfer rate of 1 GB per second. Last but not least, let's talk about AGP. It stands for Accelerated Graphics Port. It is a point-to-point channel that can be used for attaching a video card to a motherboard to assist in 3D graphics system. The main importance of AGP over PCI is that it provides a path between the slot and the processor instead of sharing PCI bus. This brings us to the end of this section. Thank you.